manage some projects under the program of SATREX. SATREX stands for Science and Technology Research Partnership for Sustainable Development. And the project of development of low-carbon society scenarios for Asian region, which is led by Professors Fo and Professor Matsuoka, is one of my projects to manage. So let me briefly explain about SATREX program. SATREX is part of Japanese science and technology diplomacy. This SATREX projects are jointly organized by Ministry of Education and Science, next, and by Ministry of Foreign Affairs, MOPA. And the actual management is done by JST on behalf of next, and by JICA on behalf of MOPA. Okay. The objective of the program is to strengthen the international science and technology cooperation between Japan and developing countries, and to advance scientific knowledge and technology for resolving global issues such as energy problems or climate change problems, and thus to develop the sustained research activity at the research institute in developing countries. So the program systems. This international joint research between Japan and developing countries are organized or promoted by JICA and JST. And JICA supports recipient countries in the framework of technical cooperation project using ODA scheme. And JICA, JST deals with the scientific contents and management, mainly supporting Japanese counterpart organization in the project. And this is the project flow. There are several steps even before the official start of the project, as shown here. But the most important step before the formal start of the project is the signing record of discussions, so-called RD. And for the project of developing low-carbon society scenarios for Asian regions, this signing of RD was done this last June, to my understanding, June the 2nd, I think. So now the project is officially started, and this conference or symposium is a very important first event after the official start. So this is the program descriptions. As adopted 7 projects for this area. And in this area of energy systems for low carbon society, we deal with energy systems for low carbon economy, but more in detail, it deals with renewable energies such as solar energy and notably biomass integration, and energy saving and carbon capture and storage, and scenario analysis for decision making. These are the 7 projects we have adopted for the area of energy systems for low carbon society. 4 in the year 2010 and 3 in the year 2011. And top is on development of low carbon society scenario for Asian regions, this project. I should say something. Besides Malaysia, we have a project with Thailand, Mozambique, Australia, Vietnam, Indonesia, and Botswana. And topics are ranging from biomass utilization and solar energy application and carbon capture and storage. The project of development of low carbon society scenario for Asian region is unique among the SADRES projects in a sense that the project deals with not specific technologies, but scenarios for achieving low carbon society in a specific district planning. By district planning, I mean the standard plan. So this project aims at realizing the low carbon society in Iskandar project. Iskandar project is a very ambitious, advanced metropolitan planning. So it will be a symbolic of dynamic Asia. So expected outcomes from this project are policy roadmaps to achieve a low carbon city with the methodology of scenario approach. It is not an easy task. In the process of carrying out this project, we will, or we should, improve the practicality and effectiveness of the scenario approach, both in a scientific sense and in reality too. The dissemination of this Iskandar approach to the other Asian regions will stimulate the development of low carbon Asia. So ladies and gentlemen, I congratulate the start of the project.